Hi moms! Thanks so much for joining me for this short and honest conversation about the changes we experience after childbirth. Now I'm sure maraming makaka-relate every time we talk about our own pregnancy journey. It's always with a big and ready smile. After all, it feels like a blessing and a true gift to experience motherhood. But at the same time, we have to acknowledge that each pregnancy journey is unique and special. Minsan mahirap and maraming obstacles and challenges and changes that you will face once you go through this journey. So today, we'll run through the most common changes that mothers experience after childbirth. First, of course, is the most obvious change, which is a change in your body shape, size, and form. Now, it's completely normal for women of all sizes to go through different changes through different seasons. But it's only through pregnancy that those changes appear more drastically and the transformation is really abrupt. So it's completely normal to feel insecure, awkward, or a bit uncomfortable about the jiggly bits that you find in your body. Every time I feel down, I'm reminded that my body is indeed a hard worker. We're all beautiful, we're all strong, and we're all fully capable of taking care of our babies, not only in our womb, but also outside. So it's something to celebrate, even if it looks different from what you were used to before. Second change, emotions. That's right, lahat ng emotions, lahat ng emoji sa keyboard, feel nyo na talaga yan as a new mom. And that's actually a good thing because it only shows that your heart is expanding to receive and to give more love to your child. So embrace all those emotional changes because that will help you become the best mom to your baby. Third change is not my favorite, hair loss. This really caused a lot of insecurity for me as I was trying to hide all the bald spots that I have after giving birth to Astrid. I tried different hairstyles, I tried wearing a hat, a headband, lahat ng pwede kong ways na itago. Thankfully, my hormones normalized and my hair returned to its glory. But when you're experiencing hair loss, it can really dampen your spirits. So hang tight, mama. It happens to a lot of us, but don't worry, your hair will return to its full glory. Shoe size. That's right, believe it or not, even your feet can change due to pregnancy. So get ready to sort of let go of your beloved shoes, but don't worry, you can always make lambing sa mga asawa nyo to get new pairs instead. And the last big change would be MOTHERHOOD. Ano ba tong MOTHERHOOD? Well, it's the darkening of your underarms due to hyperpigmentation caused during pregnancy. So don't worry, it happens to millions of women around the world. But here's the great news, you can actually deal with it with the help of Bello's Underarm Whitening Cream. Now I've been using it and I've seen amazing results. And here's why I love it so much. It penetrates underarm skin and intensively whitens at the cellular level in just 2 weeks. It targets darkening with these two special ingredients. I like that it's lightweight, it's not yung sticky, icky feeling that you have, especially for your underarms, diba? And best of all, it's clinically proven safe for sensitive skin. I personally have very sensitive skin and maselan talaga ako with different products. So I'm very careful about what I apply on my skin. So this is paraben-free, alcohol-free, and cruelty-free. It's lightweight, hindi siya sticky, it's really light, so easy to apply, and it gives you the beauty, rest, and recovery you deserve. So I've incorporated the Bello Underarm Whitening Cream into my nightly routine. I just put a pea-sized amount on each armpit, and it's really the best time because at night, your skin is regenerating while you're sleeping. And guess what, guys? March 16 is the Bello Super Brand Day on Shopee, and shoppers can enjoy a buy one, get one deal on Bello Underarm Whitening Cream, so you save as much as 369.75 pesos. So to all the moms out there, let's celebrate all these changes and welcome this new and beautiful self. Thanks again for joining me. Bye.